Hi, let's find the value of y in this equation. Solution. We are given 2 raised to power y divided by 2 is equals to 100. Okay, remember that 2 raised to power 1 is same as 2. Okay, and a raised to power m minus n is same as a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. So, like this now, we are going to have 2 raised to power y minus 1 while applying this rule. So, we can now have 2 raised to power y minus 1 is same as 2. So, we have 2 raised to power y minus 1 equals to 100. So, the next thing to do is take the logarithm of both sides. Alright, so we are going to have log 2 raised to power y minus 1 equals log 100. Then, from here, we can also have note in logarithm. If you have log a raised to power m, it will be m log a. We are going to apply this here so that we can have y minus 1 log 2. Y minus 1 log 2 is equals to log 100. Now, this is same as y minus 1 log 2 equals log 4 times 25, because 4 times 25 is same as 100. Okay, 4 times 25 is same as 100. Good. But when you have log a multiplied by b, you will have log a plus log b. Good. You have log a plus log b. When you apply it there, we have y minus 1 log 2 equals log 4 plus log 25. Okay. This is same as log 2 raised to power 2 plus log 5 raised to power 2. This is y minus 1 log 2. So divide through by log 2. So we have y minus 1 log 2 divided by log 2 equals log, you can have here 2 log 2 divided by log 2 plus 5 log, okay, this is 2 log 5 divided by log 2. Good. So you have y minus 1, this can now cancel, is equals to, this will go also, you have 2 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 2. Good. Make y the subject of the formula. Okay, that is, we are going to move this one to this side. So we have y is equals to 2 plus 1 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 2. Okay, this is y equals 3 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 2. Now let's apply change of base. When you have log a divided by log m, you will have log a base m. So when we apply it here, we have 2 log 5 base 2. Therefore, y is equals to 3 plus log 5 raised to power 2 base 2. Or you still write, or you still have, or you still have I still have y equals 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2. They are still the same. Okay. Now let's see how we can check this. Check. We are given 2 raised to power y divided by 2 equals 100, which we solve to be 2 raised to power y minus 1 equals 100, but y equals 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2. Substituting the value of y here, we have 2 raised to power 3 minus 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2. Will it give us 100? So we have here 2, 3 minus 1 is 2 here, plus log 5 raised to power 2 base 2. Will it give us 100? So 2 raised to power, from here now, we can have 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 raised to power 2 base 2. Will it give us 100? This rule now is derived from, that is, when you have something like a raised to power m plus n equals a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. That is what I have applied here. So 2 raised to power 2 is 4 multiplied by here now. From inverse logarithm, you have 5 raised to power 2. Will it give us 100? So you have 4 multiplied by 25 is equals to 100. Correct. Our right hand side is very correct, as well as left hand side. Therefore, y equals 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2. This is very correct. Okay, please go through it again and see how it can be solved step by step. Okay, if you have any other simpler way, you can share your answer in the comment section. Thank you, thank you. All right, thank you.